Hey there. I've been using Google Forms for a while to do things like exit tickets and quizzes and things like that. And what I wanted to show you today is how to bring those into Schoology so that Schoology can grade some of them automatically for you, and also how it will save you some time because you won't have to go to your responses, collect data on each student, and then return to Schoology to add grades and or attendance. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, I'm going to navigate over to Schoology. I'm going to pop open my folders. And I'm going to add that to my Monday, Tuesday folder today. And what I'm going to do first, well, I'll show you both of them, but I want to show you how to import an exit ticket just to kind of give a pass-fail, just to get a pulse check from your students that you can use also for attendance for the day if you're looking for something to turn in. And also show you how you can do a quiz that even has a video for students to watch. So I'll go to my Monday, Tuesday folder, and I'm going to add materials, and I'm going to choose test/quiz. And when I open that, I'm just going to put permafrost, or it could be your quick pulse check. Just your way of checking in with students and getting data from them. And again, it can also be used for attendance grade. Under category, you can choose which one you want. I'm going to choose warm up for this one. And then down here, I have comments enabled just in case I want to leave a comment for the kiddos, and I'm going to choose create. So what this is going to do is create a little embedded quiz inside Schoology for us, and it's ready for my questions. So first I'm going to show you how to add the video. So my previous quiz here had the students watching a video, and then it went on to ask them some questions. So I'm going to model what that looks like. By adding question, I'm actually just going to make a question be a text question. So just information, no questions involved yet. And I'm looking for the button that says insert content. It's right next to the link button, insert content. And I can actually connect right to YouTube. And I can find that video. What is permafrost? In this case, that's the name of the video that I used previously. And I can click that and import embed. So that choice right there. And it's going to load that resource up. It puts it in a little window. If I need to edit that, I can click the yellow box and edit the size of that, but it's probably fine. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to create that little text box, which is actually a video box. So that's pretty cool. And then I can go on to add my questions. And so my first question here is, what is permafrost? So I'm going to do a short answer. And it'll load that question up for me. And then when I'm doing a short answer, I ask the question, what is permafrost? And then I do a little underscore that tells Schoology to put that break in there for me. I can choose a rubric if I'd like, but I'm just going to go ahead and create that question. And now you can see that I have my video and my first question. That one I'm going to need to score because it's an open-ended question. But when I come down here to say, where is it found in the world? I'll copy that. Oops, wrong link, or wrong tab, sorry about that. Add question, multiple choice. So I am taking the time to import these over because Schoology will grade this for me, which is fantastic. And I'm going to go ahead and start pasting in my answers here, or if I remember my choices off the top of my head, I could just copy them in. I'll just do 2 for now, just for the sake of timing here. And I'm going to remove the blanks that I'm not using, and I'm going to choose the correct answer. I can randomize in case students are looking over each other's shoulders. And I can create that question. And so now what I have is it's building this quiz for me. So if I go to preview, I can see what it's going to look like for my students. So here's a video, a place for the students to type their answers in, and a question here. So I could also use this for my exit ticket. I could do their what's one important thing you learned in class today, and give them a spot for text. So I can get those pulse checks right in Schoology so that I can come in here and look at the results. I'm going to go ahead and leave that page. I don't need to look at the quiz anymore. But I can go to results and see what the students have done here for either their pulse check or their quiz. And if I'm using multiple choice true false, Schoology can grade that for me. So hopefully that helps give you another idea about how you can take something that, normally would take a little bit of extra time, cross-checking those responses, checking to see the correct answers, and then moving over into Schoology. We can just plop those right into Schoology. Hope that helps. Have a great one.